Welcome, in front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device using your 4-digit PIN code. Well, in such case, first make sure that you're not entering your SIM card PIN, but your phone's PIN number that you set up for yourself. If you are sure that this is the PIN that you're trying to enter, you might also want to restart your phone in order to try one more time, because sometimes a phone might be lagging, and this won't let you enter your account. But if none of this helps, then perhaps you should take your time and try to remember the PIN number you entered the last time to access your phone. And if you really can't remember, then you should try and reach out to Honor customer support service. This would be the best solution for you if you forgot your password, as if you prove the ownership of this phone to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your device without the need of removing all your data from it. And if none of this helped, or you can't access your customer support service, then the only solution for you to recover the access would be performing a factory reset. Now, you can do this two ways. You can do this remotely if you have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, either via Google account or Honor ID. Then you'll be able to erase all data from your phone remotely using one of these accounts on any other device. And if you don't have the Find My Device feature enabled, then the last solution for you would be to perform a factory reset using a recovery mode on your smartphone. Now, we have a video on how to do that, so you can check it out and watch it. We'll explain to you everything step by step. And this will help you. This will certainly let you access your phone again, but it will also erase all the data from your device. And I think that's all I had to say for this video. So if I helped you, please let us know in the comments, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.